Long-term care facilities have been hit hard by COVID-19, but there are signs of hope tonight.
CDC Director Dr. Nirav Shah says some people at long-term care facilities in Maine received the vaccine today. A facility in Kittery says it was supposed to also start that vaccination program today, but its start date has been pushed back. News Center Maine's Rosalind Flaherty has more.
It's been very challenging.
It's been a difficult month and a half for residents and staff at Durgin Pines long-term care facility in Kittery.
I think there's a lot of unknowns and a lot of concern.
According to state data, there have been 14 COVID-related deaths associated with the facility. The data shows it has the most deaths at a long-term care facility in the state. An outbreak investigation was opened on October 27th. Since then, 52 residents and 28 staff members have tested positive.
I think it's important for people to know that we take things very seriously. So, from the start of learning about COVID, in the early spring of last year, we've initiated many steps to prevent COVID from coming to the building.
When we spoke to Administrator Lauren Scoggin last week, she said the facility would start vaccinating staff and residents in partnership with Walgreens Monday.
Very excited. The staff are very excited. Families are excited. We've been getting their informed consents in.
But she posted on Facebook the vaccine clinic is canceled and will be rescheduled to December 29th. She said the Walgreens distribution hub has not yet received the Pfizer vaccine. Dr. Nirav Shah says based on what he understands, it is not related to the lack of vaccines Maine was promised. In fact, he says some people at long-term care facilities across the state received their vaccines Monday morning.
It can't come soon enough and it can't happen quickly enough. One reason, to Steve's earlier question, we've been really checking in and, dare I say, holding the feet of the retail pharmacies to the fire to make sure that they too are operating with velocity and equity as they are going out and vaccinating in long-term care facilities.
Rick Erb is the president and CEO of Maine Healthcare Association. The association represents 200 nursing homes and assisted living facilities across the state. He says while he is excited the vaccine is here, he says people at long-term care facilities are hesitant.
We are hearing from staff the same kind of concerns that have been voiced across the country. It is a brand new vaccine. What we're doing at Maine Healthcare Association is providing maximum amount of information in providing as much transparency as possible to educate staff and residents and their families.
The light at the end of the tunnel for the population hit hard by the virus. Rosalind Flaherty, News Center, Maine.
And we reached out to Walgreens to see what the issue is with the vaccines at Durgin Pines, but we have not yet heard back.